Apple, KFC, Starbucks, the list goes on. All these big corporations, the money that they have, it's our money. They took it from us. They cannot print money. They cannot make money. So how do they do it? First of all, let's correct the title of this video, because that's erroneous. How to make money. We cannot make money. We can only take money. The money that we have, we took it from someone else. We didn't make that money. We didn't print that money. We are not the Federal Reserve Bank. We cannot make money. The only option that we have is to take money. I know that sounds like, ooh, I don't want to go to prison. Take money. Chill out. Let me teach you how. So, like I told you, the money that these big corporations, Apple, Starbucks, KFC, all they have is your money, right? Because they just like us. They cannot print money. They cannot make money. They can only take money. How do they do it? Now, here's the coup de grace. Each and every time when you spend some money, you need to be cognizant of how are they taking it away from you, because they're taking it. It's your money. They're taking it from your pocket willingly. You are giving them your money willingly. How do they do it? You have to sit down and analyze each and every time when you spend a penny, a dollar, a rand, a euro, a pound, whatever the currency of your country is. You have to be cognizant of each and every moment when you spend some money. When you take money out of your pocket and give it away, that's a business idea. You need to implement that. You might not have what they have, all the resources, all the products that they produce. You might not have that, but you have to see it as a business. You have to do reverse psychology, do the very same thing that they're doing to you. How you take their money is exactly how they take yours. Okay, so how you make money, according to the title of the video, which is erroneous, you have to start making sure that you are cognizant of how are they taking your money away from you. Another thing, you have to de-link trading your time for money. That's a loser's game. I'll say it again, trading your time for money, that's a loser's game. You have to find a way to make money while you're not trading with your time, while you're sleeping, while you're doing other things that you enjoy doing. Okay, how do you do that? Now here's another golden nugget. The highest paid people on earth, they don't use their muscles. They don't sweat for their money. All they do is they use their tongue. You have to learn how to use your tongue. They use communication. Now, I know that sounds unfair. All the people who are sweating, working hard, using their muscles, they should be paid more. But guess what? They are not. The president, he uses his mouth. The musicians, they're using their mouth. Actors, mouth. All the highest paid people on earth uses their mouth. They use communication to make money. So you have to start making sure that you make your money while speaking. How can you do that? Especially while you're sleeping. Now, there are a lot of ways to make money nowadays. To take money. Let me correct myself. To take money. Remember, always remember, the only option that we have is to take money. We cannot make money. We cannot print money. We are not the Federal Reserve Bank. We are not the Federal Reserve Bank. The only option that we have is to take money, like I told you in the beginning of the video. So how do you take money while you're sleeping from people? Well, there's plentiful of options. There's a lot of platforms you can use to take money while you're sleeping. You have to make sure that you are planting seeds each and every week, seeds that will grow into big businesses. How do you do this? You can produce music, you can produce audiobooks, you can write books, okay? You can write ebooks, you can write print books, you can write paperback versions. There's a lot of things that you can do, but all in all, you have to start making money with your voice, with your communication, with your thoughts, okay? So be cognizant of how they're taking money away from you and implement it as a business. Look at it as a business. As soon as you lose your money, you give it away, you have to be cognizant of how are they doing it to you, because they're doing it to you on a daily basis and sometimes on a monthly basis. They're just chilling. Another thing, like I told you, the highest paid people on earth use their mouth. Check this out. If the owner of Apple or the owner of Starbucks or the owner of KFC, when he walks into his store, what does he use? Communication. He doesn't touch anything. He just uses his tongue. So that's how it is. In order to be a boss, you have to start thinking that way. Change your thinking about money. Money is simple. You have to start taking money. How? I just told you how. Whenever you lose a dollar, whenever you spend a dollar, or they take a dollar away from you, or a rent from you, check how are they doing it to you, and you do the very same thing to them. Reverse psychology on that. Open your business up, start taking money. Let's go.